folks who come to homeless court are not looking for a handout. And even if they come there thinking they're getting a handout, we try to reinforce in their minds that we're here to give them a hand up. And the hand up is to help them take that next big step into becoming productive members of the community. Homeless court is so different because it gives you a lot of human contact with the individual who committed the offense, in this case, infractions. It's not the end of the world. It's not a crime of the century. And I think homeless court allows us to humanize the defendants and also humanize what they've done.
We transformed the criminal justice system. When the first person actually appeared in court on a handball court, it was that person showed up, they walked away, there was an audible gasp from the audience. Not just the participants, but the sponsors, the service providers, like, there's no paddy wagon? You mean this is for real? You're really going to honor what we're doing in this program? And word gets out in the community, the floodgates open, people kept coming back to the court.
So the amazing thing about homeless court is that the defense attorneys and the prosecutors and the courts all work together, hand in hand, come to an understanding of what the goal is. The purpose is to get the person whole again. Not only does it save the courts the volume of cases that could be litigated, but it also saves the entire community in terms of making our community safer and finally getting our homeless folks off the streets and back to leading productive lives. So it's a win-win for everybody.